Fellow South Africans, the country is currently marking the important campaign marking 16 days of activism on no violence against women and children, as well as persons with disabilities. No woman or child should be sexually harassed, beaten, raped, stabbed, shot, or attacked in any manner, anywhere in our country. Those who commit such horrendous crimes have no place in our communities. They belong in jail. Working together with the police, prosecutors, and courts, we must ensure that these criminals are arrested and convicted. Enough is enough. Sekwanele. Working together, let us make South Africa a much safer place for women and children. I thank you.